Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. I'm pretty sure you guys have already read the title, and today we're unboxing my new iPad Pro. I got the 11-inch version in space gray. I got it today in the morning, but I waited till now to unbox it because I had some stuff to do before filming this video and I really wanted to do this video. Before we jump right into it, I just want to say that if you're here just to comment something like, oh my god, her daddy got her that, oh my god, okay, daddy's money, please just exit the video right now. I do not want those kind of comments because I am so grateful for this iPad. I've been wanting this for a pretty long time and I don't want to take too much time right now. I don't want to rant right now, but I'm just saying that if you're here to comment those kind of like hate comments, please just leave right now, exit right now. And if you're here to watch this just for fun, or maybe you're getting one too, welcome here. And yeah, also I got a haircut today. I got coated bangs, so let me know how did they look on me. And before jumping in, I just want to say that I got the iPad, Apple Pencil and some accessories as well, so I'm going to be unboxing those two for you. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started, and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna unbox the iPad because I know everybody's so excited and I am too. So let's do the iPad first. And look, I even lit the candle for this video, so subscribe please. Okay, let's go. I hope my address is not anywhere on this. Let's do it aesthetically. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Let's open this baby up right now. Oh my god. Okay. Not me struggling to open it right now. Whoa. Oh my god. This is so thin and so like lightweight. Let's see what else is there. Of course, this must have the Apple sticker stuff. We don't need that. We got the cube if you're interested in that, and the cord, of course, to charge it. Let me quickly go through all the accessories I got for it, and also the Apple Pencil. Let's do that first. Okay, so first I got some Apple Pencil tips. If I ever need replacement, so I got them. I got those. And then the infamous Apple Pencil. That's the booklet and stuff. And then the beautiful Apple Pencil. Oh my god. It is gorgeous. It has my name on it. I got it engraved, by the way, if you can see it. Can you see my name? Okay, so the first thing that I got is a case for my iPad, which I'm gonna unbox right now. This has my address all over it. Okay, we're gonna try to open it from this side. Oh wait, no, this is not the case. Oh, this is the case. What am I doing? This is the case I got. Got it from Amazon, of course. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I got it in a sage green color. Okay, so this is the case I got. It's in a sage green color. It even has a slot for the Apple Pencil. So that's pretty nice. Got that. Then the next and the last accessory that I got is this. I even bought this paper cutter for this video. Do you see the dedication here? Okay, I got the ESR paper-like screen protector, and then I got lens protector, and that's it. I don't know why they needed such a big box for that. That's just like wastage. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put my screen protector on myself, and I'm gonna do it off camera. But first, let's open this up. Am I even recording? Yeah, I am. That would have been so bad if I wasn't recording the whole time. I've never like put a screen protector myself, so this is gonna be like the first time. Whoa, okay, 1 second. I do not know what I'm supposed to do. Okay, we have this pamphlet. Okay, I'm gonna do this off screen. I'm so sorry, but I don't think I can do it while you're watching me, so I'm gonna do it off screen. Okay, so I did it. I put the camera screen protector on. It's a paper-like screen protector, and I also put the camera protector on. So yeah, and now I'm gonna put the case on. Let's do it. It's gonna look so nice and pretty. There we go. Oh my god, it looks so nice. And you can also do like things with the, yeah, like that. Okay, that is so cute. So I never even opened it, so here we go. This is so nice. So cute, so cute, so cute. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, my finger. English, India. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this to sign in and set up. Okay. What am I supposed to do? Okay. Continue. Hold your new iPad up to the camera. Okay, wait. It may take a few minutes to activate it, it says. Setting up my Apple ID. This is taking so long. Get started. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna connect my Apple Pencil to it. I'm so excited. It just sticks right on. Just sticks right on. Okay, try writing a few words here. Oh my god, did you see that? I'm gonna do that again for you. Oh, okay. Well, subscribe. Hi. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go play with it a little bit, show it to my family, of course, and yeah, that was the whole iPad unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. I'm so excited to play with it. I'm gonna download Procreate and make amazing thumbnails with it. Like, I'm pretty sure that this video is gonna have a thumbnail made with this guy. So I'm so excited for that. And yeah, I don't want to make this video super long. So if you liked it, then subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram because I post a lot of reels there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.